Experience crypto, Bitcoin miners. Oh, there was something. Here's what I wanted to look at. Hold on a second. Crypto, something with Binance. Bitcoin miners to exchange flow tap 7-month high as crypto winter gets colder, meaning the miners are mining coins and they're dumping them into the open market. That's bearish for Bitcoin. When miners are dumping into the open market, that means they're looking to get some profit, right? Because their mining costs are going up as the price declines, so they're unloading their Bitcoin more. Usually, when they're mining, they like the miners. If they don't have to, they hodl their Bitcoin to wait for a better selling opportunity when the price goes up, because that's the way that they support their business, right? Uh, Bitcoin whales present on derivatives still high. Where was this at? Binance right here. Binance launches institutional CoinFlex pause, withdraws US SEC chief on crypto regulation, plus more news. Get blah blah blah. Exchange news. Binance announced that it is launching Bitcoin Institutional, a new platform for VIP and institutional users. Users will have access to execution and over-the-counter OTC services, asset managers, and custody, a broker program, and a liquidity program. They added crypto exchanges. CoinFlex announced that they are pausing all withdrawals due to extreme market conditions last week and continue uncertainty involving a counterparty, but confirmed that the counterparty is not Three Arrows Capital or any lending firm, which is good for them. But that's another exchange, CoinFlex. I'm sure they're a lending program that is halting withdrawals. So Binance is launching this for institutional investors, right? But how many institutional investors right now in this market are going to trust putting a lot of their customers' capital and investing on these platforms if you've already had three, now four major lending platforms and Binance also that for times uh, and I still have not letting you withdraw your money, right? If you want to. It's been 3 weeks now, and those firms, I think Binance has reopened it up, but the other three have not. And if you're an institutional investor and you need access to your capital in times of crises, these exchanges or these lending platforms and exchange, as Binance is an exchange, right? They've showed that they will to limit you and restrict and outright keep your money and not let you get it out. So that's a major thing that Binance has to work out. If any institution is going to bring in their money markets and whatnot and their retirement plans and their IRAs and dumping some of it into their institutional VIP. Well, it's great if you can dump it in. You guys make it very easy to dump money in. But if these major brokerage people that are handling retirement funds have to get that capital and you won't let them, that's a huge, huge problem. So this has a lot of problems to me that I think they're going to have to work out, and the confidence is going to have to build because the confidence is not there to lend large sums of money, especially when you're a money manager, if you have no access to the capital in a time of a crisis, right? So that's a big problem, and that's something that this exchange, Binance, is going to have to work out before they see floods of institutional money coming into here, right? At least that's my personal opinion. Comment down below if you have a different opinion on this. They added that they are confident that situations can be repaired fully with a restoration of withdrawals. International risk assessment firm Moody said it has downgraded crypto exchanges Coinbase, a corporate family rating CFR to BA3 from BA2 and downgraded its guarantee senior unsecured note to BA2 from BA1 and placed under review for further downgrade, meaning they had them at an A, now they're at a C plus and maybe going to an F, right? They said that this action reflects Coinbase's uh, substantially weaker revenue and cash flow generated due to steep decline in crypto asset prices, and that it expects the company's profitability to remain challenged in the current environment. Coinbase also stated that customers from the Netherlands transferring digital assets from their crypto exchange accounts to a wallet off the Coinbase platform may need to provide information about transaction and receipts starting the 27th of June to comply with local regulations. The requirement additional information includes uh, the receipt's full name, residential address, and purpose of the transfer. Coinbase further announced that customers will be able to send and receive crypto on Polygon Matic, Solana blockchain network, starting with either ETH, Matic, and USD, coin USDC on Polygon and USDC on Solana over the next month. Eligible customers will be able to use this feature, and over time, they indeed to add more coins and more networks, they say co-founder and CEO of crypto exchange Bybit, Banzua, launched a soft proposal for the establishment of a crypto transfer BitDAO layer one infrastructure. Zao, I believe that's how you say his name, called for the community and interest parties to achieve blah 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 blah. So that's what's going on there. We got DeFi's decentralized tokens going on, but that's a bit of breaking news, right? With that, but there's going to have to be trust and confidence built because what's happened recently has slashed and killed confidence and trust. If you're a major money manager, right? But you don't know if you can get your money back. Mining news: Bitcoin miner Aspen Creek Digital Corporation (ACDC) announced that its first Bitcoin mining center, a 6 megawatt high performance computing center, commenced operation in Colorado, USA. ACDC has also added Galaxy Digital Mining Businesses as a Bitcoin mining hosting client, right? So some breaking news. We're going to get more into this. We're going to continue to follow the new VIP from Binance to see if any institution